In this video, I'll show you how to monetize your Facebook page with other people's video legally. Now, people say nothing good comes free. This video is about to prove that statement wrong because in this video, I'll show you the only two methods on how to monetize your Facebook page, your TikTok account, and even your YouTube channel using other people's videos and doing that legally. Like you will simply use other people's video to legally grow your social media handles. You're going to get those handles monetized and start making money in US dollars. You practically are doing almost nothing. If this doesn't work for you, I don't know if any other thing will work. You can use these techniques for YouTube monetization, for TikTok monetization, and of course, Facebook monetization. So before I show you the only two legal methods to use other people's videos to grow and monetize your social media channels, there is one important thing that you must have decided on, and that is the niche that you want to be creating content about, or the niche that you want to be using other people's videos from. So we're saying the same thing. So you might want to be using videos in tech niche, in space technology, in fitness, or just whatever. I already created a video that shows you some best niches to pick from. I will leave the video link somewhere on top of this video and also in the video description. You can check it up after watching this video. So once you have made up your mind about the niche that you want to create your videos about, then we can go over to the first way to copy and use other people's content legally to start building your social media handles. So let's begin with my method number one. What you want to do here is to go to TikTok and search for a keyword like, let's say, trending Canada, or say trending USA, or if you're in Nigeria and you want to use Nigerian content, then you can use trending Nigeria. The point here is that you should use a keyword for the country that your target audience or the country that you're trying to target. And if you like, you can also use any keyword of your choice, but I just love adding the word trending so that I get a video with so many views. So I'll search. So as you can see, there are several viral videos that pop up for us here. You can use absolutely anyone from this result. Just make sure it's a video that you love to have on your handle or your channel. So for me, I'll pick out this video with 20.8 million views. And here also, you want to choose a video with a lot of views. Then you want to come here and copy the link of this video. Then open another tab on your browser. Log into a tool called snaptik.app. Now, Snaptik is an online tool that helps you download TikTok videos without any TikTok watermark. Of course, you know that you can actually download TikTok videos from the TikTok app, but it always comes with the TikTok watermark, and I don't want that to happen since I want this video to look as original as possible. So, Snaptik.app will help us to download these TikTok videos without adding any TikTok watermark, and that is exactly what we want. So I'll come here and paste the video link I copied from TikTok in here, and I'll click download. Okay, so here I will download in HD here. Okay, so as you can see, our download is progressing. So my download is now complete, and then let's go ahead and see our video. So yeah, you can see that this video has no TikTok watermark on it, so we are good to go to the next step. Now, I want you to know that you don't have to use only TikTok viral videos. You can also download great videos from YouTube, from Facebook, or any other videos for that matter. It will work perfectly for this hack, and then, like I said, we'll be able to use these videos legally without any fears of copyright issues. Just follow me and let's get along. So now that we have our videos ready, if I were you, I would make sure I get videos that is enough for, let's say, a whole week, so that I can do my weekly task just once and for all to make the job easy for me. So the next thing to do now is for you to go ahead and record a very short video of yourself, and you don't really have to look for any special place to record this video. You can use your room, you can use anywhere. Also, you don't have to talk or say anything in your video if you don't want to do so. And if you want to talk, you can easily use your phone inbuilt microphone And if you feel like, you can also use an external microphone. What I'm just saying here is that it is not compulsory. So don't let the excuse of I don't have a beautiful video background, or I don't have a quiet place, or I don't have a microphone to stop you from recording this video. Like I said, those things are not necessary. Just get yourself a video of yourself. Now, you don't even have to talk at all. So you just have a little thing to do with that video that you recorded. If you choose not to talk, then all you have to do here is to just make a visual expression about the original video that we downloaded from TikTok or from anywhere you got your videos from. So let me demonstrate what I mean. As you can see that the video I used here is a man packing snow off his vehicle. I can just decide to be making maybe a jest of him in my video. If I like, since I'm an African and I've never really traveled outside Africa before, except of course any of my viewers wants to sponsor my trip to Europe or North America, I don't mind. Okay, that's a joke, but the point I'm trying to make here is that I have never seen snow in this light before. So I can decide to make a video showing a surprise of how a car is completely covered up with snow. I'm sure any African person will find this kind of sight intriguing because we don't have snow here. So you can just come up with any simple expression depending on what is in the video that you want to use. Also, if I decide to talk in my video, I can just be making a wow exclamation or just talking my excitement of seeing a snow in words, or I can decide to make a short commentary about how winter in Canada can be. Just anything simple and creative will go, guys. So here is the video I am able to come up with, almost the same length as the original video since that is a short video. So now that my video is ready, I will launch my video editing software of my choice, but I think CapCut is a very good and popular and amazing video editing app that is free to use and most people know how to use it. So I'll just open a new tab on my browser and I'll go to CapCut.com. I'll come in here and click this blank canvas. Okay, here I'll click the plus click to upload button, select the original video I downloaded from TikTok and the video I recorded by myself. Now, according to the copyright rules, you are not allowed to use or upload someone else's video minute for minute, but the rule states that you can actually add values to any original video and use for yourself, and it will not be flagged as copyright infringement. So it's as simple as that. So what we want to do here is to add value to this original video by adding our own input and creativity to the video, which we will achieve now because we will be placing our own recorded video somewhere around the original video. So that's the idea. So now I can add as much value as I like to this original video by recording the video that I want to place inside the original video. And if you want to build your own monetized channel using the lazy man style, you can decide to use the same video that you recorded on several other original videos that you want to use. That is, if you don't want to keep creating videos of yourself again and again. The only rule that you should never forget here is that the more creative you are with this method, the more people will like your new video and the quicker you will build your followers and monetize your social media channel or account using this method. So all I will do now is to first of all double click this original video here. So I'll come to the second video and drag and drop it on top. I'll make sure that the two videos are well aligned. And as you can see, the second video has completely superimposed the first one, so I'll just crop this video. And also you can record your video either in portrait or landscape. Just make sure that you study the original video so that you don't cover the essential part of that original video with your own video. And if you like, you can simply remove the background of your own video if you think your video will be obstructing the original videos too much. And this is another reason why CapCut is such an amazing tool. So the option is yours, you can use it. Again, the only thing you need to do here is just to be a little bit creative and you are really good to go. You can even add royalty-free background music or effect to your video. Even though they are not compulsory, I am just showing you several ways you can add value to this original video so that you can make it original in your own time and better than even the video you downloaded. That's what it is, guys. So once you're done, you can simply export your video and download it, and your original video is ready for you to use. And I'm very certain that you have seen several kinds of this type of recreated videos on social media, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, and all of these videos are monetized, and the owners are making good steady income from them depending on their choice of monetized social media platform. So let me show you a second way to get original videos that you can use for monetization without copyright fears. Now, there are some websites that have dedicated videos that are uploaded on public domains. These websites allow you to download their videos for either informational and commercial purposes without any copyright issues. I know that you already know about free video websites like Pexels and Pixabay, but those are not the kind of website I'm even talking about here, even though you can also use videos from them for free. A good example of such a public domain website is the NASA website. Now, NASA, for instance, is a US government body that publishes space exploration activities of the United States. Now, space exploration videos are videos that easily go viral online, and NASA has made their videos available online for anyone to use. This is an example of a quality public domain video website that you can use for your social media monetization. But you also need to read the terms and understand how you can use the NASA videos, especially if you are hoping to monetize your social media channels or your account using such videos. Now, we leave a link to the NASA terms in the video description. If you want to use the website, you might as well want to read the terms so that you know how to use those videos. So for instance, if I come to images.nasa.gov, here you can see top space exploration videos that you can build an entire channel on. All you need to do is to come here and type in a topic. So I'll just use a random topic like man in moon. I'll remove images and I'll remove audio. I only want video results, and then I'm going to search. And I will just go through the videos and make a favorite pick. So let me go with this, for example. I'm going to play it. Okay, now you can use these videos as it is, but you at least want to add a little bit of creativity here. For instance, the details of this video is here by the side, so you can actually do your own voiceover somewhere within the video, or use some of the method I've discussed earlier in this video. You can cut out a good highlight from the video for reels, for TikTok views, YouTube short or Facebook stories. I just want you to at least add a little bit of a twist to the video instead of just posting it exactly the way it is. So all you need to do is to just come here and download the video. Again, take it to CapCut and do your basic editing, and the video is ready for you to use. So once you're done, you can simply export your video and download it, and your video is ready for you to use. So if you have been given excuses for not becoming active online, either on Facebook, on TikTok or YouTube, and grow your handles till you become monetized, now you see that you no longer have an excuse not to start. So go ahead, start using other people's video the legal way, using the method I've explained in this video. And please, if you think I did a good job, then give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video on your handles. I believe there is somebody in your list that will love to see this kind of video. If you're a first-time visitor and yet to subscribe to this channel, I create digital marketing and AI videos that help you make money, save money, and improve your life. If you'd like to see videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I publish my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.